Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to integrate WordPress with ConvertKit. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, first is you can integrate your WordPress with ConvertKit using the WS form add-on. So guys, first in the WordPress administration menu, just simply click WS form. And from there, just simply go ahead and click on the settings. And after that, just simply click the ConvertKit tab. Just simply enter your API key from your ConvertKit account info page. And right after that, guys, just simply click on the Save Settings. And from there, guys, another method is just setting it up from ConvertKit form. So guys, in ConvertKit, in the form builder, click Settings at the top. And from there, just simply go to Actions and Notifications and just simply click the ConvertKit action so you can add it. And from there, just simply select an action, subscribe to a form or update, subscribe to a sequence or update, or remove tags from a subscriber or unsubscribe. That's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.